Good morning, dear children. Let us start chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs, NCERT Class 4. This is part 1 of the video in which we will discuss introduction of the chapter. The chapter is from page number 69 to 80 in the textbook. So, what will we learn in this chapter? We will learn frequency occurrence of the event in relation to time. What we call if some event occur in 2 weeks, some event occur in 1 week, some event occur per day. So what do we call that things? Secondly, we will learn movement of animals, locomotion of animals, what we call when an animal go from one point to another point. Importance of water conservation, concept related to EVS. Thereafter, we will learn mathematical concepts such as understanding about liquid measurement and its unit, conversion of units from liter to milliliter, milliliter to liters, comparison of capacities of utensils and bottles, making the measuring bottles, we can make our own measuring bottles, add and subtract capacities or amount of liquid. Moreover, we will learn amount of liquids and its uses in our life, how much hair oil we use, how much cooking oil we use. So such kind of thing we will learn in this chapter. So frequency occurrence of the events in relation to time. So first is daily. The events come once in a day. Okay. So something happens daily means it comes every day. Newspaper is a daily event. Newspaper hawker sends newspaper daily. And second is weekly, means once in a week, once in a 7 days. Fortnightly means once in a 2 week, once in a 2 week. Some magazines come once in a 2 week. Monthly means the event comes once in a month, like salary. We get salary once in a month. Anniversary, the event come once in a year, that we called as anniversary. Marriage anniversary, birth anniversary, okay, establishment anniversary. The thing is annual, means once in a year. Okay. Now movement of animals, locomotion of animals. Hopping. What is called hopping? Look at these frogs. How do frog come from one place to another place? By jumping on its leg. So when animal jumps on its leg, it called as hopping. Kangaroo, frog. So hopping means jump with both or all feet together. ओके जो मूवमेंट है वो जंप करके आता है, ये चाहे 2 फीट या सारे फीट जितने फीट हैं उसको लेके. ओके. क्रॉलिंग. क्रॉलिंग मीन्स लुक एट दिस स्नेक. स्नेक क्रॉल्स. जब छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, जब वो भी घुटनों के बल चलते हैं, अपने आप को बॉडी को रख के चलते हैं जमीन की सतह से, तो उसको क्रॉलिंग कहते हैं. रेंगना. टू मूव स्लोली विद योर बॉडी ऑन और close to the ground. Okay. Next is running. So most of the animal runs. Running means walking. Okay. Now water conservation. Why should we conserve water? हमें पानी क्यों बचाना चाहिए? क्यों उसको अच्छे समझदारी से यूज करना चाहिए? So look at this. Only 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. So water has a major portion on the earth, that is 71%, but out of that water, 97% water approximately of the earth water is found in oceans. 97% of the earth's water is found in the ocean, means it is too salty to use in a crop, to drink. We cannot use for that purposes, means that 97% water is not available to us. Out of these 3% water is fresh water that we can drink, we can use for crop purpose. But out of this 3%, 2.5% of the earth water is unavailable. Why it is unavailable? Because it is packed in glaciers. जो पहाड़ों के ऊपर बर्फ जमी हुई है, फ्रेश 2.5% जो वाटर है वो वहां पे पैक्ड है, यानी वो अवेलेबल नहीं है. So what is the amount of water available for us? This is just you can see the water is locked up in glacier, polar ice caps, atmosphere and soil highly polluted or lies too far under the earth surface to be extracted at an affordable cost. तो जमीन के अंदर इतना नीचे है कि उसको हम सस्ते में निकाल भी नहीं सकते. तो हमारे लिए कितना पानी अवेलेबल हो गया? 0.5%. 0.5% of the earth's water is available fresh water that we can drink. So you can imagine how costly the water is, how valuable is the water is. So we should use it sustainably, means we should not waste the water. For example, we can save water like when we see the taps are on, we can switch off the taps to avoid water wastage. And when we brush our teeth, we should use mug instead of tap water. So there are a number of ways we can simply save the waters by bathing from the bucket water instead of shower. Okay, so there are several ways we can conserve the water. So this is all about the introduction. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.